Namaste, beautiful soul. Welcome to Pau's Secrets. I am Pau and I'm very happy that you're watching this video today. I want to welcome you to this meditation series that I created for you. I created this series for that person that feels that cannot meditate, for that person that feels that they're very bad at meditating, that person that feels that it's impossible to calm down their thoughts. These series are for you. I've been meditating, talking a little bit about me. I've been meditating since I was a teenager, and meditation has been with me all my life. Sometimes I have meditated more, sometimes I have meditated less, but meditation never left me and I never left meditation. Meditation is a tool that it's always with me. That's why I decided to start teaching meditation 10 years ago, more than 10 years ago. And I've been sharing meditation with so many people. And I always get the same thoughts from people. Oh, I'm so bad at meditation. I cannot meditate. And I promise you that everybody can meditate. You are good at meditation. We are all good at meditation. It's just about finding that moment, that space where you can sit, close your eyes, and connect with your breathing. And that's the intention that I have behind all these meditations that I created for you. These 7 days that we're going to share together, one meditation a day, might help you at the end to have your own routine, to have your own practice, and to take this tool forever, to have meditation by your side all your life, to manage stress, to manage anxiety, to connect with your goals, to be more focused, to understand better your feelings, to heal your heart. It's so many benefits from the meditation practice. That's why I really encourage you to do these 7 days with me and see what happens at the end. For example, now you see me sitting in this way. I have these comfortable meditation cushions that I love, but you don't need to have this. You are more than welcome to buy cushions like this, or if you already have a cushion in your house, you are welcome to use it. And why it's good to use a cushion is because you can be sitting like this, or most of the people sit this way. It's an easy pose. And to have the knees lower than your hips, it really helps the position of your spine. When you have your spine like this, you have more freedom for the breath. You can take deep breath in, deep breath out, and that's the most important part in the meditation. So when you have a cushion that elevates your hips, your knees are a little lower, and you can stay in this position a little longer. But also, depending on how flexible are your hips or what's the state of your body, you can be reclined on a wall, or you can have a chair or a comfortable couch, or any place where you can stay for at least 10 minutes sitting in that same position. Now, right now I'm in my living room. Sometimes I meditate in my room, sometimes I meditate on my bed, sometimes I use the meditation cushions. But for this following 7 days, I encourage you to find a special spot in your house, any place. And try first, see if you're comfortable there, so you can stay the whole meditation. And go every day, every meditation that I'm going to share with you, go to the same spot. That will help you to create the routine. Then you will be able to meditate anywhere. But the first week, try to go all the time, every day, to the same spot. So find that spot first. And another tip that I can give is to have a blanket, depending on what's the weather in your area, or how cold you have your AC, to have a blanket. And this is like my special blanket for meditation, that I put it this way, and I cover myself, because when you're meditating, when you're sitting for 10 minutes, let's say, your body temperature might drop, and it's good to be prepared to have that blanket on you so you don't start feeling cold in the middle of the meditation. Another thing that I use, but again, you don't need anything extra to meditate, it's essential oils. I have lavender essential oils that it's relaxing. So what I do is just, I smell the essential oil, and that takes me to a more relaxing place. Or if you have any sinus congestion, or you have any allergies, maybe because of the season, you can have some peppermint oil, and you smell it, and it kind of like opens your nostrils. And again, remember, you don't need this. It's just an extra tip that I'm giving you for the future. Tools that you're gonna see around that, things that you can use, even burning a candle or burning an incense. You can do it, but you don't need to. Like the music that I'm playing in my background, the one you're listening, you're gonna listen some music in my meditation. So when you're meditating on your own, you can play music if you like, or you can be in silence. But even where you are, if it's too noisy, if you have sounds, if you have neighbors, if you have noises in the background, on the outside, don't worry. You don't need complete silence for meditation. I promise you that if you play a guided meditation, you can meditate with anything that is happening around you. Like me, I like to meditate, let's say in the morning. So if you like to meditate in the morning, that's great for your routine. So pick that time in the morning. If you always wake up and you rush out of bed because you have kids or because you are going to your job and you have limited time in the morning, try for these 7 days to wake up 15 minutes earlier and use those 15 minutes to do a meditation with me. And then you continue with your day. After you get your practice, then you will be able to meditate anywhere, anytime. But for these 7 days, I encourage you to have a schedule and meditate always at the same time. For example, when you wake up or when you are going to bed, you will decide that. The morning, it's a very good choice. And again, with the noises and all that, that's life. That's urban meditation, like I call it. It will not stop you from meditating. I promise you, just try. Don't try to find the perfect moment or the perfect time, because it might never happen. It's always perfect for meditation, anytime. That you just sit, you have a place to sit and close your eyes. You can even be lying on the floor. You can be lying on your carpet or lying on your bed. You don't need to be sitting if you're not comfortable in the sitting position. You can totally do it from a lying position. For example, me, I love to meditate when I'm in an airplane or when I'm waiting for a doctor and it's taking too long, or when I'm sitting outside. I always find those 5 minutes where I can just close my eyes and find that meditation inside. And that's what I want to teach you. That's what I want to share with you, so you have that tool forever. So in these 7 meditations that we're gonna do together, you are going to open your heart, you're going to manage stress levels, we're going to work on anxiety, we are going to work on sleeping better, on controlling more the thoughts, the emotions, so all those things, all those beautiful things that are the benefits of meditation. You will learn it during these 7 days with me. So if you're ready, we have these 7 days to share together. I'm very happy that you're here with me. I'm gonna start sharing those videos so you can meditate, or you can do 1 meditation a day. And please stay in touch with me. You can write comments below this video. You can ask me questions. You can follow me on Instagram. It's Pau Secrets. It's here on the screen. And give me a like to this video, and do not forget to subscribe so you have always the alerts when I upload new videos, yoga or meditation videos. And welcome again to my world, to Pau Secrets. I'm very happy that you're here with me today, and namaste.